Our first step for making the green bean casserole is we're going to measure out the milk. Now this of course is only if we'll be using condensed cream of mushroom soup, because it's condensed, so therefore you have to thin it out a little bit. We're going to use 3/4 of a cup of milk. There we go. Now, depending on how high fat you want your green bean casserole to be, will depend on what type of milk you want to use. If you want super rich, creamy green bean casserole, then I would use whole milk. If you're going to try and lighten things up a little bit, which is difficult considering the ingredients for the green bean casserole, then I would go with skim. Now, if you're going to make your own cream of mushroom soup, you're of course going to use heavy cream for making it, which the condensed version has. And it's going to be a lot different than using the condensed version in the can. But you can also alter it that way as well, depending on your recipe. But for using the canned condensed soup, we're going to use 3/4 of a cup, and I'm going to choose skim.